Hi guys, welcome back to Hey Unicorn Vlogs. I welcome you all once again on my channel. So I am again back with another PR video, and this time there are so many products which I want to share with you all guys. So let's start the video. Okay, so this is the box in which I kept my all the products, like all the products. Okay, there were so many different box of different size which came, like, but I can't collect them all together. Let me just show you. See, there are so many products, and I'm super excited to show you my all the products one by one. So let's begin this video. So the first product which I'm going to show you is from the brand Pilgrim. I have received an hair serum from Pilgrim, and this is my very first time I'm using a hair serum from Pilgrim. I have used before of another brand, but this is very first time, and I'm very excited, and I'm also happy because I've used once or twice, and the consistency is very good. Like, the way it is not oily. My scalp is already so oily, so I don't prefer oily serums, or I mostly prefer watery serum, but this is actually so good, and this do not feel like oil at all because this is so water based, and this is how it looks. Okay, so let me show you the consistency of this product. If you want to know which is the best hair serum which actually works, comment down in this video. I'll make sure, because I know one serum which I'm using from last 1 month, and actually I can see the drastic change in my hair growth, so I'll make sure that I can share that. But for that you have to comment down, so make sure you comment. Okay, so this is the product from N4N. This cream is mainly for the people who have dry skin, extra sensitive or dry skin, because this is very thick oil based, and once I'll apply my face will be totally, I'll feel very something, there's a very heavy burden on my face or on my skin, so I don't apply this. This is my another product from N4N Eco Science brand. Okay, now this is a day face serum. Again, this serum is so oily, so I'll recommend this serum for mainly uh, for dry skin. So are you guys excited for the third PR? Now this is my one of the favorite brands till now. To be honest, when I received this product, I was so happy. I was so happy because it is so cute. This is a face wash which I received from Bioderma. The name of the face wash is Sensi Bio Gel Mucent. Okay, now the name is so fancy, but I have not used, I have to still shoot for this product. And the best part is it is very small in size, like not too big, not too small, but you can carry this even in your pockets or in your tote bag or any kind of even sling bag, so you can carry this face wash anywhere. So this is so good. It's so mini face wash, so I am in love. And the color, it's a, I think a baby water based baby pink color, so I'm in love with this face wash, and I actually love all the products from Bioderma, so I'm very excited to use this one. So yeah, this is the another third PR product which I got from Bioderma brand. I'm so excited to show you, especially all the girls will be so happy after seeing this, because this is my, like, every girl's needed thing if they are into makeup and everything, if they love doing makeup. So it is a makeup remover from Bioderma. Now I was not knowing that even makeup remover are there in Bioderma range, but I received with the face wash, so I'm very excited now. This is so good, and this, the bottle is also so miniature. It's not even that big, even like you can compare with my face. It's so small, and I'm in love with this micellar water. And yeah, I'm very excited to use this. Okay, so the last product I'm going to show you is from the brand Wow Skin Science. Okay, this is a Korean bamboo gel. This is a multi-purpose gel. You can use directly as a as a conditioner or anything. You don't have to rinse it off. Okay, so you can directly apply on your hair, or you can even directly apply on your dry skin, on hands, legs, face, anywhere. You can even use this as the shaving gel for all the girls or boys. You can even use this so you don't get any cut. Okay, now this is so useful, this is so multi-purpose gel, and I'm using this right now, and it's so good, it is so good. And actually the main ingredient focused over here in this product is bamboo. So they have used so good, they've used such an innovative, thought, that they have given the structure of bamboo. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really enjoyed, make sure to subscribe, like, share and comment down on this video. I'll see you in my next video with another PR products. Bye.